National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Camden County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 6 p.m. At 5:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Monster City, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles if possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Cherry Hill, Evesham, Mount Laurel, Willingboro, Orleans, Lumberton, Florence, Burlington, Bristol, Mount Holly, Riverside, Beverly, Kingston, Monton, Jacksonville, Ashland, Springdale, Greentree, and Jobstone. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 4 and 6A, Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 354 and 359, Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 36 and 40, Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 32 and 53. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued on the following counties, Pennsylvania, and the following counties in New Jersey, Burlington, and Camden. A severe